Yo, what up lads? Today we're gonna be talking about JavaScript. Love it or hate it, it's everywhere. You've seen it empowering everything from interactive websites to sleek web apps. But if you've ever dabbed in coding, you know that JavaScript isn't exactly everyone's favorite tool. So what's the deal with this language that seems to be both a blessing and a curse? Personally, I like JavaScript the most, but it's the only language that I actually know, right? I've started with C and C++ at university, and I can't say I like them too much, especially when we got to the harder stuff of it. But let's see why people complain that much about JavaScript. Alright, let's start with the basics. JavaScript is a heavyweight champion in web development, playing a key role on both the front end and back end. But despite its widespread use, it often leaves programmers scratching their heads and reaching for more coffee. One of the biggest headaches with JavaScript is its quirky type coercion. You know, where a variable might suddenly switch from a number to a string without warning. It's like your code's playing a prank on you. You think it's a number, but surprise, it's a string. Next up is callback hell. Picture this, you're stacking functions inside more functions, like nesting Russian dolls. It's the same thing. It's like trying to untangle a jumble of headphones. Just when you think you've sorted it out, you found another knot. Your code ends up looking like tangled mess, and debugging feels like hunting for hidden treasure. Now let's dive into hoisting. JavaScript has the quirky trick where it moves variables and functions to the top of their scope before your code ever runs. It's like discovering that your keys are in a different place than you thought. Just when you think you've got a handle on things, you got a new surprise. Alright, and next up, loose equality comparisons. JavaScript's operator can be a bit of a trickster, making your code act in ways you didn't expect. It's like playing a game where the rules keep changing, and you're never quite sure if you're winning or losing. And let's not forget this keyword. Oh boy, this can be the wild card of JavaScript. Its behavior changes depending on where you use it, making it one of the most confusing aspects of the language. One moment, this is pointing to the object you expect, and the next, it's going wrong. So why do programmers have such a love-hate relationships with JavaScript? It's a language that's both versatile and maddening. Its quirks can make coding feel like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. But at the end of the day, despite the headaches and hiccups, JavaScript remains a vital part of the tech world. In conclusion, JavaScript's unpredictable nature is both its charm and its challenge. It's a wild ride, and while it can be frustrating, it's also incredibly powerful. So whether you're a fan or a skeptic, there is no denying that JavaScript is here to stay. If you enjoyed this breakdown of JavaScript works, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts on JavaScript in the comments below. See ya!